to Cambridge, Maryland, and the Little Choptank River, Eastern Bay, Patuxent River to Rooms Island, Maryland, Tangier Sound and the inland waters surrounding Bloodsworth Island until 6:30 p.m. At 4:30 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along the line extending from Bloody Point Light to near Herring Bay to near Chesapeake Beach, moving east at 20 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly high winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Locations impacted include Drum Point, Choptank River, James Island, Solomon's Island, Miles River, Knapp's Narrows Bridge, Town Creek, Calvert Cliffs, Taylor's Island, Greenwell State Park, Poplar Island, Eastern Bay, Bloody Point Light, Gilman Island, Bears Beach, Cutco Creek, Black Walnut Point, Mayo, Shady Side, and Eel. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for the Baltimore metro area and the surrounding